Hello all, welcome to part 7 of mobile testing training series. In this session, I'm going to explain one of the mobile application types, that is mobile enabled web. We have different mobile application types like mobile enabled web, web apps, native apps, hybrid apps. Okay, mobile enabled web is one of the mobile application types. In fact, it's not an application, guys. Okay. I'm even though calling it as mobile application types, but mobile enabled web is not an application at all. It's not a mobile application at all. But what is this mobile enabled web? Okay. So we can call the mobile websites. Okay. Just understand here. We can call the mobile websites as mobile web or mobile enabled web, in short MEW. Okay, when you are working in some mobile testing projects, you may come across this term known as MEW. What is this MEW? Mobile enabled web. It can also be called as mobile websites or mobile web. Okay, so what is this mobile application type that I am talking about? These are nothing but the general websites, guys. For example, let's take this my website qfox.com. Okay, when you browse the qfox.com in the browser of your laptop, okay, the website is displayed like this. Okay, the website is displayed like this, guys. Okay, the same thing, the same URL, if you browse in a mobile device like a smartphone or tablet like this. Okay, in the laptop also it's coming like this. When I browse in the mobile phone, you see it's not same, right? This website, which is being browsed with qfox.com in my laptop, is looking something like this, where I browse the same website qfox.com in my mobile device, a smartphone or iPad or any tablet, etc. It's looking something like this. Okay. Do you see any problem in this? They same website, but looking differently in different things. Like in laptop, it's looking somehow different, and in mobile device, it's looking somewhat different. Okay, according to the dimensions of this device, the website is getting adjusted here. This is what is called as a mobile website or mobile web or mobile enabled web. Okay, so the same UI or the same user interface you will not see here. You see here there are some three lines. If you click on that, these options will come. Okay, so this is called as mobile enabled web. So mobile websites or mobile web or mobile enabled web, okay, mobile application types are the general websites, guys. They are the general websites that are built to look good in the mobile devices. Okay, they're built to look good in the, if you open this, the same website is still looking good in a different format, adjusting to the mobile device. These websites are called as mobile enabled web. Okay, one of the mobile application types. It's not an application, but we generally call it as application. Mobile application types, app type, you can say. Okay, so which is adjusting to the desired mobile devices. Okay, as part of testing this kind of, okay, mobile application type, that is mobile enabled web or mobile websites, we have to test whether the mobile version of the website is displaying and working properly in the supported mobile devices, that is smartphones and tablets or not. It's supporting or not? Yes, it's supporting. Okay, if you get the same look, you have to have some scroll bars. On the right side you should have a scroll bar, on the bottom you should have a scroll bar. Now, but does this website need a scroll bar? No, it's adjusted to the mobile device. That's what I'm calling it as mobile enabled web. The same website which is getting enabled for the web to look properly according to the dimensions of the destinated mobile device. Okay, is called as a mobile website, guys. Okay, not only in our laptop we have browsers, guys. We also have the browsers in our mobile devices. Okay, if you take any mobile device, it can be Android mobile device or iOS mobile device, iPad, tablet, any device you take, it will have a browser. If you open your web application in those browsers of the mobile devices, okay, the mobile enabled web version of the website should be enabled, and we should see this kind of interface without any GUI errors or, okay, without any scroll bars. We should see this website and we should still be able to use the website properly in the mobile device. Okay, so we are testing whether the website is mobile enabled in this format. Okay, we have to open the websites which are enabled for the mobile browsing using the browsers providing the supported mobile device, that is smartphones and tablets, and then test them. What we are going to test, the main important thing that you are going to test as part of this mobile enabled web, okay, mobile application type is the responsive testing, guys. Okay, we have to test the responsiveness of the mobile websites. Okay, you see, this is actually the width and height of the website. Okay, the width, you see how much big it is. 170 plus software testing types article is there, and here on the right side some widgets are there. Okay, now if I have to show the same website in the mobile device, it cannot be the same, it cannot be of the same width. Okay, so it has to adjust according to the height and width of the mobile device. Here you see 170 plus software testing types, heading is coming in 3 lines, and whatever the sections are there on the right side went to the bottom of the page. Okay, the image is coming here, you see buyer motor is coming in this line. Okay, testing concepts is coming in this lines. These options, video courses, tutorials, testing, and all are coming here in the, when you click on these 4 lines, you'll get that option. Okay, so we are checking the responsive. This is called as responsive testing, is according to the height and width of a particular device where you are opening the website should adjust by itself without breaking the graphical user interface. Okay, so or without showing the partial page here. Here partial page is not shown. The page is instead getting adjusted to the mobile device. Okay, so all the website content should fit into the supported mobile device screen as part of this testing of the response. This is the main thing that you test as part of the mobile enabled web, guys. Okay, we don't have to install any application. I'm again saying, okay, though I am calling it as a mobile application type. Okay, mobile enabled web as a mobile application type, or mobile web or mobile website as a mobile application type. It's not really an application, guys. Okay, we don't have to go to the Play Store and install this application to get displayed in the mobile device. Rather, we have to open the browser in our mobile device. It may be smartphone or tablet, and then browse the URL there. Okay, and you will just get the website in an adjusted responsive format according to the height and width of the device. Okay, so hope guys you understood. We don't have to install any application. Instead, we have to simply browse the website in the device, and if that website is a mobile enabled website, then in that particular desired designated mobile device, it will show according to the required height and width without breaking the user interface, or without right, it should fit into the device. Actually, the page should fit into the device properly by organizing the things on the website in a proper way, in a different way according to the device dimensions of the device. Okay, so hope guys you understood what is mobile enabled web. Okay, so generally in our when you work on a live projects in companies, right, they call it as MEW. You should not get confused. It's nothing but mobile enabled web. It's one of the mobile application type where you perform this kind of testing to see whether the website is compatible for all the different supported devices. Okay, no matter of height and width, it should get responsive and it get adjusted to the screen of the designated device. So that's all for this session. In the next session, I'm going to cover another topic on mobile testing. Till then, see you. Bye bye.